Hello, Mr. Trainer in Class 4C. I'm Alex Barrett. Today I'll be presenting my speech on a rebuttal on another classmate's speech. Michael Davila did his speech on why Loyola should have a gym class to start every day. Now this is good for some reasons. He said that it would stimulate our education, that it would make us more eager to learn, and that it would make us less tired in the mornings. Now I know that students come in the mornings and they're exhausted, and they come in and they sit in their first period classes and they're falling asleep. It's not pleasant for the teachers, it's not pleasant for the students, and not enough work gets done. Now, even though that is true, I don't see this working for a number of reasons. For the reasons such as there's not enough locker space, there's not enough gym space. Now, where are you going to put all the students when the snow falls? You can't fit them all in the gym. Yeah, in the spring and fall, maybe in the fields. Also, gym teachers. What are you going to do? Bring in teachers just to teach for one period and then send them home? And then you can say, well, maybe use other teachers that teach other stuff to come in. But it's more trouble than it's worth. Now this may stimulate our blood, but I don't see it stimulating the students' education. Because the students, let's face it, we're teenagers, okay? We don't like school, we're not going to be more eager to learn whether we're tired or not. This may make us more awake for periods 2 and 3. Come periods 4 and 5, we're going to be just as tired as we were before. Now I feel that it's better to promote breakfast and to promote eating more than to promote physical activity. Because the kids that eat a good breakfast will be the ones that will be energetic and involved in the class in periods 4 and 5. Whether you did gym or not, if you ate a good breakfast, you will be like that. But the kids that eat a good breakfast also don't want to come to school and run around first thing. Most kids just grab a can of Coke and rush out in the morning to catch the train or catch the bus because they didn't feel like getting out of bed or what have you. Now, I have a better solution. I think that Loyola should just open the gyms in the morning and have an activity program or just have fun for the kids that whoever wants to come can come and just get the blood flowing in the morning. Now, this won't apply to all students. Some can't come early, some don't want to come early. But for the ones that do, this could be a great idea. Now, I know they do this already, but sometimes, they've got basketball practice in the morning, they've got some other activities going on, so it doesn't always work. Throughout the day, I do feel that Loyola does its part to keep the students, the staff, and the whole community physically active. They've got the gyms open, they've got the weight room open, they've got house league sports, they've got serious Loyola sports, they've got so much going on and so much to offer that I feel that Loyola as a community is mentally and physically active. In biology class, we learn how important a great breakfast is, and this is the stuff that has to be promoted. The breakfast is what has to be promoted. The lunch, kids go and grab a bag of Skittles and then they wonder why they're tired at 5 o'clock at 5th period. This has to stop on the teacher's part and on the student's part. It has to be enforced. Another reason why I don't think this gym thing is a good idea is because most kids don't want to sit in the sweat all day. I don't want to run around in gym class first thing, put on my suit, and have to sit and sweat all day. And if the alternative is to take a shower, then there's going to be a shortage of showers. Now this gym idea in theory seems actually very good because, yeah, it would make us less tired. Yeah, it may make us more eager to learn in the mornings, but for a number of reasons, which I just stated, I don't feel that this is going to work properly. Now, I know Loyola doesn't have enough gym classes, we only have 2 per 9-day cycle, but I don't feel that making gym class in the mornings every morning would improve Loyola. Thank you.